y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing some baking soda nails. Now I haven't done a Dollar Tree nail video in so long, so bear with me. I don't even know what design I want to do, but there's so much stuff that I bought from Dollar Tree. If you haven't seen my previous video, definitely go check it out because it's mind-blowing how much stuff the Dollar Tree has brought. Amazing. Like, you know what? The Dollar Tree has stepped up a lot because when I had started doing hacks previously, like years ago, it doesn't compare to what they have now. They have stones, they have like little nail jewelry, just all kinds of stuff. Beautiful nail polishes, which I'm so excited to go back and get some beautiful nail polishes for winter and spring and just like that. Yeah, I'm just loving it. So today we're doing Dollar Tree nails. Today we're gonna do it. I have, where was it going? I have this that I want to try new, so I'm really excited about it. I don't know, but I want to try it because I feel like I could put the baking soda in here and kind of like dip my nail in like this, you know, but I gotta take off these little tabs. I feel like that's what I gotta do. So I'm gonna do that off camera, but I kind of want to use this just so I can like use it like that and just dip my nail in. I don't know, but we're gonna use baking soda. All of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree, you guys, including nail polishes, top coat, decor, nail gems, everything. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. Brush on nail glue, Dollar Tree. If you didn't see my haul, they have this there too now, so it's really nice. And then my nail tips, also from Dollar Tree. I have so many of these, you guys. It's open, but I just keep it like this. Nail file. And yeah, so let's get into this. I'm going to prep my nails really quick for you guys so y'all can kind of see. And then I'm going to probably do 2 nails on camera. I'll probably do these 2 and the rest I'll just have them done because I just want to, I don't want it to be repetitive for you guys because I know it can get a little bit boring. And once you get the hang of it, it's pretty fast to do, pretty easy. But I'm going to be having so many hack videos coming out. I want to get back into doing hacks. Nails has gotten so expensive, you guys. Like, I don't know how nails have went up to about $100, $200. Like, I go on TikTok and every time I swipe, it's like, oh, here's the balance with the nail. And you know what, I'm not knocking anybody. I know work this, work that, but nails are just so expensive and there's so many women that can't even get their nails done because of how expensive it is. So I want to bring the hacks back. I feel like this is just a good era to bring the hacks back, to show women that you can do your nails, you can get your nails done at an affordable price, because it is buck wild out here with the prices. Like, it's mind-blowing. Like, it don't make sense to me. But hey, everybody has to make a living, and like I said, I ain't knocking nobody, but that's a lot of money. Like, nails went from being $30 to almost $200-300. I just feel like it's really crazy, and just, I don't know, that is just crazy to me. I understand talents and stuff and things went up and you got this and you got that, but it's just a lot. That's a lot of money to have to spend, and some women can't even spend it because they have kids. It's just a lot. And I get it, nails aren't a priority. You know what? I'm going on a rant. We're not going to do a rant today, but let's get into this hack video because I feel like y'all need it. Like, we need this. We need this hack. We need to be able to do our nails. We need to be able to do our nails at home and not have to spend $300 and $400 on some nails. Like, that's crazy. So getting into it, this is how my nails look right now. They look absolutely crazy, but I'm just gonna go in with the Diamond Cosmetics nail file, and I kind of like this view better because you kind of see like what I'm doing, which is really nice. I just want to take the shine off of my nails. So all that I do is really quick, and I'm just going to prep them just like that. You want to make sure you go around the nail. You can use a cuticle pusher if you'd like, but I've already did that a couple of days ago, and my cuticles. So you just want a nice rough base, just so that way your nails can actually stick. Really quick, because I know you guys are gonna ask, all I do is just dump my baking soda in here, just like this. It's just regular baking soda, you guys, and I just dump it in there. But I want to remove the clumps, so what I'll do is I'll go in and just remove it like this. I'm probably not going to use this cup too much because it does make a mess, but that's okay. It's just baking soda. It's not like it can't be cleaned up, but this is all that I use, and I like that I can put it like that, but I need to get a bigger cup. So that's just how it's working out right now. And like I said, I just use regular baking soda with my nail tips. These are the Sassy and Chic brand. Just a few things if you are learning how to do nails for the very first time. I've been doing hack videos for a very long time. I've been on this channel since 2016, and since 2017 I've been doing hacks. The best way to do it, in my opinion, is with baking soda, but a lot of people say that it burns, or it does this, it does that, and sometimes it does burn me as well if I have like lotions on my hands, or like a perfume, or just some type of other chemical to mix with it. So yeah, that does happen, but it just depends on you. I've seen people say that it doesn't burn at all, and they've done it perfected, and it just depends on the person. So I just say, take it as your own risk of doing these nail hacks. I have tried them and they work great for me, but it doesn't mean that they will work great for you, but you won't know until you try it. So right here, I'm just going to be gluing on the nail tips. I am going to be doing just 2 nails on camera because, like I said, it becomes a little bit repetitive and it just gets boring. And this is very simple. It's kind of like a dip nail. You start from the free edge, you go up to the cuticle, and you just go making your way so you can get that nice apex, and everything just looks very seamless.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away.
Also, I do like to shape my nail before I actually go in with the baking soda. This just gives me a little bit more range of where the baking soda can sit, because as you can see, I was telling you there that it's hard to get the nail file around the cuticle, and I don't like to use a nail drill because it does take off all of the baking soda, and then it tends to get a little bit skinnier, and then I have to go in again. So it is a lesson learned to just use a nail file. With the nail file, everything comes off. You just have to take your time with it. And another thing that I want to say is that this is very time consuming. This isn't something that is going to be done in 30 minutes. It's time consuming because it's kind of like dip. You have to go from the free edge to the cuticle, and you have to go building up your apex and your thickness. You can't just go and throw it all on there because you will make a huge mess, and by the time you know it, you'll be filing for like 2 to 3 hours. I've learned my lesson that way. So now what I do is I make sure my application is very seamless. So when I go to file, I just file for about 5 minutes, and I go and I start doing my painting and putting my nail gems on. So I just want to put that out there. I want to say I did get questions a while ago about the glue not lasting. So another reason why your glue may not be lasting is because you're not dusting off the baking soda really well. You have to make sure you dust the baking soda off really well, because once the baking soda touches the glue on the brush, it gets hard and then your brush gets hard. So the glue is not usable anymore. So with that being said, definitely make sure you are dusting it off, and make sure you are checking to make sure they are nice and hard before you go into file, because you don't want to file off if it's still a little bit gummy. It's not going to stick and it will all come off once you go to file. Once it's hardened and you can go in with your nail file. Now these nail files aren't going to last that long with you filing over and over again, so you might need to buy a few just to have on hand for when you go to do your fill-in. A fill-in would be the same exact thing. You would just prep around the cuticle and go in with the nail glue around the cuticle, and that is about it. You don't have to worry about having to fill in the whole nail, because it's like a fill-in. It's the same thing like acrylic. So right here, I'm just filing. Now, this does take a little bit long if your application is all over the place. Mine, I've been doing this for a really long time, so I've been very blessed to go in and file really quick. But it does take a long time if you are just learning, so take your time with it. Trust me, I've been there, I've done it, and I've had to perfect it over and over again. But now I'm just going in with the design. All the nail polishes and everything that I used is from the Dollar Tree, including all the gems and these nail polishes, which I love. Kiss nail polish, LA Colors, like, they're just so bomb. And the little sponges are from the Dollar Tree as well, from Sassy and Chic. They're just ones that I had. If you haven't checked out my previous video on my haul for the Dollar Tree, definitely go check that out, because I show a lot of things in that haul that the Dollar Tree has at this moment, and you don't want to miss that. But I love you guys. I'm so happy to be back doing hack videos for y'all. I know a lot of y'all want me to do kids acrylic and just a whole bunch of stuff, so definitely stay tuned. I will be bringing that. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next upcoming videos.
In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Don't fuck me up, don't let me